مرحبا بكم في الدرس العاشر from school materials. This lesson is going to be different a little bit, so I want your full attention, and you can stop the video anytime you want to repeat, and you can repeat anytime you want. So here we're going to start with the scavenger hunt, and we will see how much you know. So this is the vocabulary that we're gonna fill in here, and your answers gonna be at the end of the lesson. So ما اسمك, you can follow with me if you have printed out the video. If you don't, just write it down on your journal with the meaning. So I'm gonna read the Arabic, I'm gonna say the meaning in English. ما اسمك, ما اسمك, what's your name? أهلا وسهلا, أهلا وسهلا means welcome. صف means grade, صف. كم عمرك, كم عمرك, how old are you? 16 سنة, ست عشرة means 16, سنة means year, التاسع means 9th grade, تدرس study, مدرسة school, تذهب you go or she goes, صباحا morning, الساعة means clock or time, السابعة 7, النصف half 7.5, أيام الأسبوع أو أيام العطلة أيام العطلة, which is weekend or the days off. أمريكا America, السبت Saturday, الأحد Sunday, العلوم science, الحساب math, or we can say الرياضيات, but الحساب is easier to remember. اللغة العربية means Arabic language, or you can say العربية أو العربي. Either one is correct. Now this is our text. I want you to copy the text if you have the paper. If you don't have the paper, so just try to do it on your own or on your journal. مرحبا, ما اسمك? You can also translate. مرحبا means hello. ما اسمك means what's your name? اسمي علي. My name is Ali. أنا اسمي علي. My name is Ali. أهلا وسهلا يا علي. كم عمرك? Means welcome يا علي. How old are you? أنا عمري 16 سنة. Means my age is 16 years old. في أي صف أنت? Which grade are you in? أنا في الصف التاسع. I'm in the 9th grade. أين تدرس? Where do you study? أنا أدرس في مدرسة لويس الثانوية. I study in لويس الثانوية means high school. لويس high school. متى تدرس أو متى تذهب إلى المدرسة؟ عفوا again. متى تذهب إلى المدرسة? When do you go to school? أنا أذهب إلى المدرسة في الساعة 7:15 صباحا. Means I go to school at 7:30 in the morning. ما هي أيام العطلة في أمريكا? What are the days or what are the days off in America? أيام العطلة هي السبت والأحد means the days off is Saturday and Sunday. ماذا تدرس في المدرسة? What are you studying in school? أنا أدرس العلوم والحساب واللغة العربية. I study science, math, and Arabic. Now here the conjugation of the verb with the pronoun I. We took that last class. We're gonna re-emphasize about it here. So as I said, you change the beginning to have an alif. So instead of ya here, so the ya will turn into alif. And we're gonna see the answer at the end of this lesson. So I want you to change the beginning now on your paper into alif. هو الفعل يدرس with أنا it will be أدرس. أنا أدرس. And يسكن أنا أسكن. يذهب أنا أذهب means I. Now here this is something new we have to pay attention to, which is this. هذا and هذه means this is. This is, one of them is masculine, which is هذا, is this one is masculine, and this one is feminine. هذه is feminine. So masculine and feminine. So if you have a word that is masculine, you put هذا. If you have a word that is feminine, you put هذه. Now, a lot of students ask me how we know that this word is masculine or feminine. Of course, if you go to Arabic, all the Arabic word that end like that this is feminine word, or like this, it's a feminine word. Not necessarily all the Arabic words that doesn't have this means it's masculine. For example, like mother. Mother is ummi. So ummi is a feminine word because indicate feminine. So most of the words that indicate feminine end with ta marbuta like this. Most of them. But some words, they don't end like that, and they are feminine because they indicate feminine. So let's just try. We say هذا قلم. So this is masculine. So you put هذا. هذا قلم. هذه. هذه ممحات. هذا قلم. هذه ممحات. Because this has ta marbuta. So I want you to put هذا and هذه in the here in the blank. So هذا for masculine, the first one is for masculine, and هذه is for feminine. Now, if we have a word like that, which is فصل اللغة العربية, you see that? You look at the first word. You don't look at the second or the word that end like ta marbuta. You don't look at that. You look at the first word. The first word doesn't end with the ta marbuta, so we should say هذا فصل اللغة العربية. The same here. When we say هذا صف الحساب. Okay? Now, let's go over here. مدرستي. مدرستي here is this madrasa is a ta marbuta. Why? Because ya over here is attached to pronoun. This attached to pronoun, it doesn't change that the word here is feminine. So everything in Arabic either feminine or masculine. So here the word is feminine. So we say هذه مدرستي. The same over here. This is attached to pronoun. So ورقة is feminine. So we say ورقتي. هذه ورقتي. So all of these are attached to pronoun, but this doesn't change the gender of the word. So here هذا مقعدي. هذا كتابي. هذه مدرستي. هذه ورقتي. هذه ساعة. هذا أستاذ الحساب. You see here we don't have ta, so it is masculine. بيتي. So bait is masculine. The word bait is masculine. Why? Because it doesn't end with a ta marbuta. It ends with a regular ta. So if we separate, so it look like this. You see, هذا بيت. If we add the ya into it, it became like that. But it is masculine. سبورة, it ends with a ta marbuta. So we say هذه سبورة. الحصة, it ends with a ta marbuta. We say هذه الحصة. المادة, it ends with a ta marbuta. We say هذه المادة. So now here another question words. So when I ask in the text, you see here, I asked ما اسمك, and this is a question word. ما اسمك. أنا اسمي علي. كم عمرك. أنا عمري 16 سنة. You see, those are question words. Now في أين تدرس أو متى. So also this is a question word. And also here أين تدرس is a question word. All of these are question words. Now here we're gonna have these question words and we're gonna apply them in the questions. If I ask what's your name, I wanna say ما اسمك, or I have to say ما اسمك. And ما or ما and ماذا means what. ما and ماذا means what, but one of them must follow with a noun and the other one must follow with a verb. Here اسمك is a noun, so we say ما اسمك. كيف حالك. ماذا تدرس. You see تدرس is a verb, so we put ماذا تدرس. What are you studying? What's your name? So here ما should follow with a noun, ماذا should follow with a verb. أدرس الحساب والعلوم. This is the answer to this question. Now, متى تذهب إلى المدرسة means when you go to school. I go الساعة 7 صباحا, and this means you need to put a time because the answer is a time, so that's why we put متى. And then again after ما we have a noun. ما هذا means what's this. هذا كتاب أو هذا قلم. So these are the words. Now here rearrange the word to make a good sentence. Now challenge yourself and try to do it by yourself. As I said, the answers will be at the end of this video. So here الحساب الدرس والعلوم أنا. So it became أنا أدرس الحساب والعلوم. Now let's try this one. العطلة السبت أيام والأحد أمريكا في. I'm gonna leave you with that. Let's see if you can figure it out. إلى أذهب أنا المدرسة 7 الساعة صباحا. Now let's translate those into Arabic. I study at Lewis High School. I will say أنا أدرس في مدرسة لويس الثانوية. So I'm gonna leave you with that so you can do these alone by yourself. Try to do it, and then we can try to figure out what we need to do here. Now here is what you need to memorize in order to speak. You need to memorize these phrases. For example, if I say Assalamu alaikum, the answer is Wa alaikum salam. كيف حالك؟ بخير والحمد لله. اسمي أمير. أنا من باكستان. عمري 16 سنة. عيد ميلادي في نوفمبر. Okay, this is when you start speaking about yourself. So you need to memorize these, and then you copy these words. Try to memorize these words as much as you can. You practice. And this is a recording between you and your friend. We can do that in class. But here is your answers. Look carefully at them, and if you want to stop the video or copy them, you are welcome to. So here also the other half. This is the rest. This is how you conjugate with أنا. This is the verb. أنا أدرس. أنا أسكن. أنا أذهب. And this is your answer for هذا and هذه. As we said, we're gonna go into details to هذا and هذه later on in our future lessons. We're gonna go into details. All what I need from here now is to classify which word is feminine, which word is masculine. And then you know that this is masculine and this is feminine. This هذه is feminine, هذا is masculine. And this is your answer too. Now for question word, these are the question words. ما اسمك؟ كيف حالك؟ ماذا تدرس؟ متى تذهب إلى المدرسة؟ ما هذا؟ And those are the sentences. This is how you rearrange them. The translation should be like that too. Now the PAL or the speaking PALs is السلام عليكم وعليكم السلام كيف حالك بخير والحمد لله اسمي أمير أنا من باكستان عمري 16 سنة عيد ميلادي في نوفمبر. And the rest are just copying. Hopefully this will help. I hope you get something from this lesson. Ask me if you need any question. Please let me know in class, or if you want to know more, let me know, email me. I'm here to help you guys. Okay? See you in next lesson. So we are done with school materials. This is our last lesson for the school materials. We're gonna move to another unit for next lesson. Okay? Bye.